From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it looks like we're going to be putting that heat wave in the rearview mirror at least for a little bit, but looking back at the month of June, a record month by any metric you looked at. So let's get over to the key wall. We'll talk about all these red dates. These are all days where temperatures are above normal. Now, normal for June in Lafayette is 90 degrees at the beginning of the month and 91 degrees by the end of the month. And you can see, other than 2 days, 28 out of the 30 days was above normal, and in some cases well above normal. We had that first heat wave the middle part of the month where we saw temperatures reaching the upper 90s. We had 4 days in a row of 99 degrees, got back down into the mid 90s, had some showers and storms, and then back into the upper 90s, and finishing off with a couple of 100-degree days this weekend. We were at 99 degrees for Saturday, Sunday. So bottom line, as we've been telling you, the hottest June on record. And I did some more stats. Let's look at January through June. And again, rainfall scant this month, but January through June already we are sitting at the top of the pile on a 130-year record of being the hottest January through June on record by a significant amount, 4/10. You can see there's not a whole lot that separates the top from the bottom here of the top 9. And notice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the top 9 hottest first halves of the year have occurred since 2000 and since 2006. In the last 17 years, our average highs are running 1.5 degrees hotter than what they were just 50 years ago, and our average lows are 2.5 degrees warmer than just 50 years ago. And that all reflects a warmer Gulf of Mexico. That's also reflected in the warmer global ocean temperatures that takes the heat from the atmosphere and stores it in the ocean. That is all about climate change as well. So let's take a look at, as we move forward, this is the good news. As we take a look at tomorrow, we're plotting up rain chances from Jennings to Lafayette, Opelousas, New Iberia, and Morgan City. And you can see tomorrow we're going to get in the scattered category. We'll go 40% for tomorrow, but then let's advance into Wednesday, and we are a little bit peakier with rain chances getting up into the 50, perhaps 60% range. And this is how we forecast our rain chance. Some areas are going to see 30, 40%. Other areas might see up to 80%. So we got to split the difference when we're talking about Acadiana in general. But that's the big idea, is high pressure aloft has moved to the southeast. We're getting a better tropical flow out of the Gulf of Mexico. And now we don't have a cap on the atmosphere. So once we get close to 88 to 90 degrees, we're going to see a scattered convection popping off. And not a whole lot going on this evening. All the big action off to the north of us into Mississippi. Still some strong storms and a few isolated showers close by, but in Acadiana it's relatively quiet. So we'll look at the graph model indicating we might see 1 or 2 showers first thing in the morning, then a scattering developing midday, and then advancing northward. This looks like a 40% chance right here, and then things quieting down for fireworks tomorrow evening. Then getting into Wednesday, watch, we're going to see more in the way of scattered activity across the area. Should see a little bit more, so we'll go up the rain chances a little bit. And then Thursday we could even see a bigger rain chance as we start to get some cooling aloft coming down from the north. So things are going to get together for Thursday and Friday. We're going to see some pretty high rain chances developing. Much needed rain, mind you, so we'll take it. Upper 70s to near 80, and then tomorrow we'll favor closer to the low to mid 90s thanks to the cloud showers and thunder showers kicking off a little bit earlier. So warm and humid overnight tonight. Full buck supermoon out there, the first of 4 supermoons in a row, so we're going to have that going on. Quiet late tonight. Some folks are popping off the fireworks tonight. I heard them from home before I came back in. Then tomorrow, more typical summer day. Scattered showers and storms primarily mid-morning through the mid-afternoon. We'll go about 93, 94 the high for tomorrow, and that would be a nice break if we do see that. And as we move forward, look at this. We struggle to reach 90 degrees Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday with higher rain chances for sure. Maybe some locally heavy downpours as well, but nothing severe at this point. And then as we get into the weekend, those rain chances begin to tone down, and then we'll talk about next week, but it's going to get hotter and drier again.
We'll enjoy this week.
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you, Robin.